Next menu is navigation here. The navigation, view next image, view previous image, right or left arrow. For on keyboard, you can, for example, navigate between the image, or you can use this icon for navigating between images. And you can go to a special image by go to. You can click on it and enter image index. Index is like this. This is image number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For example, image 5, type 5 and hit OK. Go to the 5 image. You can use the shortcut for that. Going to the first image and going to the last image. Okay. This software also can recognize the PDF file, show you PDF file, but attention that when you can simply click and drag a PDF file on a software and waiting for loading. It recognizes the PDF file as a JPEG file. As you can see, it's not high quality. It is just image viewer and show you the PDF. That is nice. But pay attention, you cannot edit the PDF. For navigation between the PDF page, you have to go in here, next page, previous page, first order. But it is very hard to work with it. You have to go into Tool and Page Navigation, or the shortcut P. This is the page navigation for these multi-page files. You can move between pages and look at the PDF as a JPEG. Pay attention. This is JPEG, not PDF for editing. Okay, this is navigation. Hello, my friends. To continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release. Hello there, I'm Hamid RT from TutorialCells. I'm electrical engineer and software instructor. I love teaching and learning. In this channel, we intend to produce free tutorials on softwares, games, and other sciences. But our main focus is on making tutorials for softwares. We are currently changing our policies to protect copyright law and respect the work of others. In the first step, we will teach only free software. Then, after purchasing commercial and official versions of the software and obtaining the permission from the software companies, we will record a tutorial for those softwares. So we start with the free software that is free for everyone to use. Because of the strict rules of the companies and YouTube, even if we use trial version of commercial software, we will still face legal issues in future for monetizing videos on YouTube. So, stay tuned for our new tutorial with free, powerful, and functional software. Thank you very much. Hello, my friends. To continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release. Our goal in a TutorialCells group is that to create a tutorial of different softwares in our channel and websites. In first step, for completely free and in detail, we want to create a place for all tutorials that are categorized and complete in order. In general, the main goal is to create a great free educational channel and website and then earn money. After you have fully learned the software, you can buy our project and more advanced tutorial in our stores if you wish. The next step, we want to start a specific project with each software and place their file in our stores. For example, the jewelry design software or architectural, and many other fields. That is the file store. Next step, we want to introduce and teach all mobile application and mobile games. The final step, we want to introduce and playing and training all games, attractive physical games or computer games. In a general, we set a long-term and heavy plan for ourselves. Please support us so that we can continue this way.